Every walnut kitchen cabinet begins with carefully selected raw lumber.
Accuracy begins long before cutting, starting with a precise digital layout. Large walnut slabs are broken down into precise components for frames and center panels.
Every joint of a shaker cabinet requires dead flat, perfectly squared lumber.
After flattening, each piece is evaluated to select the best grain for the shaker frame. Each walnut blank must be edge trimmed to prepare precise shaker frame joinery. Precision mortises are cut to ensure strong, clean, shaker-style frame connections. Tenons are shaped to fit each mortise with perfectly matched tolerances. Dry fitting ensures every shaker frame joint locks together cleanly before gluing. After confirming fit, the shaker frame is glued and clamped to create a rigid, flawless structure. Each glued walnut shaker frame must cure under uniform pressure to maintain perfect squareness and structural stability.
After initial curing, each walnut frame is sanded to achieve the smooth matte finish characteristic of premium shaker cabinetry.
The floating center panel, essential to authentic shaker construction, is cut from solid walnut to allow natural expansion and contraction. The shaker frame receives a precise groove to house the floating walnut panel without restricting its seasonal movement. Once grooves and tongues are complete, the floating walnut panel is inserted into the shaker frame and checked for perfect fit and movement clearance. Before final gluing, every shaker door assembly is squared and tested to ensure flawless geometry. Once alignment is confirmed, the walnut shaker door is glued and pressed under controlled pressure. After curing, each walnut shaker door undergoes progressive sanding to achieve a velvety smooth finish.
The cabinet frame components are cut next, beginning with precise CNC machining of the walnut carcass panels.
Each CNC-cut walnut panel is inspected to ensure perfect fit within the cabinet carcass structure. Every walnut carcass panel must be edge-banded to protect the grain and create the clean lines expected in premium shaker cabinetry. Once edge-banded, each walnut carcass panel undergoes secondary CNC passes to refine joinery points with micron-level accuracy. To ensure the carcass fits together seamlessly, all walnut panels are dry assembled before fastening. With alignment confirmed, the walnut carcass is fastened using concealed joinery for a clean, modern shaker aesthetic. Back panels are added to provide rigidity and complete the structural shell of the walnut cabinet. Internal reinforcement braces are installed to ensure the walnut carcass remains perfectly rigid throughout decades of use. Soft-close hardware rails are installed inside the carcass, ensuring smooth drawer operation with the signature high-end shaker experience. The top frame of the walnut cabinet is aligned and fastened to create a perfectly square, load-bearing structure. Side-by-side leveling checks ensure that stacked walnut cabinets align perfectly when installed in a kitchen layout. Final reinforcement screws are added to lock the carcass into its permanent, load-ready configuration. The base toe kick structure is added to elevate the walnut shaker cabinet to installation height and provide front support. The cabinet's internal shelf system is installed to create storage structure and lateral stabilization. Each cabinet door is test-mounted using European soft-close concealed hinges to ensure flawless swing and alignment. Fine hinge adjustments are performed to perfect the gap spacing around the walnut shaker door.
The drawer system is assembled next, beginning with precision-cut walnut drawer boxes crafted for smooth, soft-close functionality.
Once the walnut drawer box is assembled, precise sanding is performed to achieve smooth, matte contact surfaces and perfect joinery transitions. Soft-close drawer slides are mounted to the walnut drawer box to ensure silent, effortless motion. Each drawer is test-fitted into the walnut carcass to ensure perfect travel, alignment, and soft close performance. The walnut face frame is added to give the cabinet its clean shaker geometry and strong architectural presence. With the face frame installed, final sanding prepares the entire walnut cabinet structure for finishing. After sanding, each walnut shaker door undergoes detailed edge rounding to achieve the soft tactile feel associated with premium cabinetry. The floating walnut center panel is lightly sanded to ensure smooth movement inside the shaker frame without binding. All cabinet surfaces are cleaned thoroughly to remove sanding dust before the finishing process begins.
Before finishing begins, every walnut shaker cabinet component is meticulously inspected under raking light to detect scratches.
The first coat of oil-based walnut finish is applied to enhance grain depth and protect the cabinet surface. After the first oil coat has dried, a fine sanding pass is performed to smooth raised grain fibers and prepare the walnut for additional finishing layers. A second finish coat is applied to intensify the walnut color and deepen the natural shaker aesthetic.
Walnut drawer fronts are matched to the cabinet doors to ensure consistent grain flow across the entire kitchen installation.
Each walnut drawer front is trimmed and chamfered to create the clean, minimal shaker edge profile. The walnut drawer fronts receive matte black shaker-style handles, carefully centered for perfect visual balance. Each door also receives its matte black handle, matching the shaker cabinet's clean and minimal design. Soft close hinges undergo final torque adjustments to ensure the walnut shaker door opens and closes smoothly.
Drawer slides are torque adjusted to guarantee a silent, perfectly linear soft close action across all walnut drawers.
Each fully installed drawer is inspected for even reveal gaps on all sides to achieve premium shaker alignment. Final assembly begins with attaching the walnut shaker doors to their corresponding cabinet carcasses. Door alignment is refined further to create the flawless shaker symmetry expected in high-end cabinetry. Drawer fronts are mounted onto the internal drawer boxes, completing the clean-faced shaker aesthetic. All functional components, doors, drawers, slides, hinges, are tested together to ensure cohesive, silent operation. After functional testing, surface touch-up sanding ensures that every walnut edge, corner, and frame segment feels refined to the hand. A final dry fit is performed to ensure all walnut shaker doors and drawer fronts align perfectly with the cabinet carcass before finishing is fully cured. Each cabinet is placed on an adjustable leveling stand to verify structural integrity and ensure the walnut carcass sits perfectly flat. The cabinet's back panel rigidity is tested to ensure there is no flex or distortion when weight is applied. Hinge stress tests begin to confirm that the walnut shaker doors can endure repeated daily use without loosening or sagging. Drawer weight tests ensure that the walnut drawer boxes and soft close hardware function smoothly under realistic load conditions. Door alignment is refined again after stress testing to correct any micro shifts in hinge positioning caused by movement cycles. Drawer face depth and protrusion are fine-tuned to ensure consistent spacing relative to the walnut face frame. Surface touch-ups remove any fingerprints, glue residue, or minor sanding marks before final finish curing. The walnut cabinets are moved into a controlled curing chamber where the finish fully hardens for long-term durability. After curing, the walnut shaker cabinets are inspected under neutral white lighting to reveal the true final finish without color bias. Shelf pins and internal hardware components are installed to prepare the cabinet for functional use. Protective bumpers are added to the walnut shaker doors to ensure quiet closing and reduce frame contact wear. Final adjustments are made to the soft close hinge dampers to achieve uniform closing speed across all walnut shaker doors. All walnut drawer boxes are installed into their carcasses and aligned with the newly cured walnut drawer fronts. Drawer soft close mechanisms are calibrated to ensure consistent force and smooth travel across all units. Cabinet feet or mounting cleats are installed to prepare the walnut shaker cabinet for wall or floor installation.
The interior is vacuumed and wiped to remove all micro dust created during assembly and adjustments.
Exterior surfaces are polished with a final finishing cloth to enhance the walnut's natural depth and ensure a flawless presentation. The fully assembled walnut shaker cabinet undergoes a final structural and aesthetic evaluation before packaging. Before packaging begins, each fully assembled walnut modern shaker cabinet is carried to the quality audit zone for structural integrity is tested again by applying controlled force to ensure the walnut carcass maintains rigidity under real-world stress. Door swing mechanics are evaluated for smoothness, torque resistance, and soft close reliability across multiple cycles. Drawer mechanics are tested for load-bearing performance, extension smoothness, and perfect soft close behavior. Finish consistency is evaluated under neutral white inspection lamps to reveal any imperfections that blue-orange workshop lighting may conceal. Hardware stability is tested to ensure every hinge, slide, handle, and cleat can withstand long-term use. All internal surfaces are checked to confirm that the matte walnut interior is free from dust, debris, or finishing inconsistencies. Final calibration ensures that every door and drawer closes with synchronized softness and no audible variation between units. A final craftsmanship audit confirms that the walnut shaker cabinet meets aesthetic and structural standards expected of premium woodworking. Completed cabinets are approved for packaging once all structural, functional, and aesthetic criteria have been satisfied. Before packaging, each walnut modern shaker cabinet is moved to a dedicated vibration test bench to ensure structural stability under transport conditions. Shock resistance tests simulate accidental impacts to verify the walnut doors and drawers stay aligned. Surface abrasion testing ensures the cabinet's matte chocolate walnut finish resists minor wear during everyday use. Climate conditioning exposes the walnut cabinet to temperature and humidity changes to verify dimensional stability. After climate testing, hinge and drawer performance is checked once more to confirm no shift occurred. Padding materials are cut and prepared to protect the walnut cabinet during transport. Each walnut shaker door is wrapped individually to preserve its matte chocolate finish. Drawer boxes and grain-matched walnut fronts are cushioned and stacked in protective layers. The fully assembled walnut cabinet is lowered into a custom-cut packaging crate designed specifically for the shaker model's dimensions. Final sealing prepares the walnut shaker cabinet for transport, marking the end of the manufacturing cycle. Before shipment, the crate containing the fully wrapped walnut modern shaker cabinet undergoes a weight verification to ensure transport safety compliance. Shock sensors and orientation indicators are applied to the exterior of the walnut cabinet crate to monitor handling during transport. Protective corner guards are reinforced on the crate to prevent impact damage during logistics. Barcode scanning verifies every walnut shaker cabinet is correctly matched to its shipment manifest. Moisture barriers are applied to ensure the walnut cabinet remains stable during changing shipping environments. Final nails and screws are driven to fully lock the crate for secure shipment. Each crate is labeled with routing tags to guide it through the logistics chain toward its destination. Forklifts move the crated walnut shaker cabinets onto the outbound transport platform in preparation for loading. Loaded crates are strapped securely onto the transport pallet to ensure zero movement during shipment. A final visual inspection of the palletized shipment confirms that every walnut modern shaker cabinet is fully protected and ready for dispatch.
reflection is almost there.
Just a touch more golden light on the veneer.
No.
Hold it right there. Beautiful.